Fixing to do something stupid. Alright folks, me and Cooper right here messing around today. And thought I'd try to fix these headlights. And as you can see, it's a Traverse, my helper. But I was gonna order a set of lights. I've already polished this. I'm letting it dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna wipe it and show you the difference. But this right here, what it looks like right now, minus the wax. Now you can't see, I drive this car to work. You can't see nothing in the mornings going to work because it's pitch dark now and you just can't see nothing. I was gonna put a set of headlights in this car, get a set for like 160 bucks on Amazon. But you got to pour the whole front clip, which is the whole front bumper, hold on a minute, off this car just to get the headlights off of it. And I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna polish these out and see what it looks like. And I'm using Meguiar's, I don't know if you can see that or not, Ultimate Compound. It's pretty good stuff. I like it. I think the head's about stopped up on it. It's been sitting around here since last year. I know what to do with that. Take the head off of it. That's a whole lot better. If you can see, let me change my thing here. It ain't brand new, but it's got to be better. All right, this has only got one scrubbing on it. Let's see what it looks like. It looks a little better. It's a hell of a lot better than paying, which I don't mind paying 150, 60 bucks for a set of lights. It's pulling the front clear. I poured the front bumper off this car one time to get to an AC line. I said I won't never do it again. It was aggravating for sure. Just do a second coat on this side while I got you. As Bob Ross tells the cameraman, don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. Oh yeah. I like it. I got some eyes now. Now let's go back to this side. I didn't ever finish this side. I'm gonna try to work on my old van a little bit today. Maybe. Ain't gonna promise nothing. And even if I have to do this every couple weeks, I'll do it. Takes less than 10 minutes. And it beats pulling that front bumper off. If I had a lift, it wouldn't be so bad, I'm sure. I don't have a lift. So everything I do is time consuming. And I don't really have the space for a lift. I need to tear my whole shop down here down and rebuild it. I don't want to do that right now. So it is what it is. Supposed to be pretty as far as the weather the next couple of weeks. And I may go ahead and start back painting on that old van. So be looking out for a video for that. Preparing it and getting it ready. There you go, folks. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. I like it. See you on the next one.